Morning YouTube. Here's Mr. CJ5 finished. Got all the lights and everything back in it. Got the radiator mounted up. Motor's all good. Wires and hoses are good. Good battery. I've just got the hood open here so you can see what's going on. Painted up everything as good as I could. I got some chrome polished up a little. Still needs some cleaning on the bottom, but it's an off-road vehicle. Got some pretty nice mufflers. Kind of loud. Got a roller 302 motor out of a late model Mustang. We'll fire it up here. A little cold right now. Motor runs really good, doesn't smoke or nothing. Power steering works good. It'd be hard to turn these big tires, but that works good. Got the steering column all mounted in, bolted up. Have our original plate there. The transmission clutch linkage is it's a little sensitive, kind of on or off. I think that might be because the clutch is probably rusty. Got the doors working. Got good seals in it. Got all the gauges in. Some work, some don't. Floorboards all cleaned up. Seats, mounts are good. It's got original Jeep seats in it. They don't quite match, but they're real close. Soft top went on good. Mirrors are good. These are got the external mirrors. All of the fender flares, cleaned them up, painted them. Got the shocks and everything all done. All this tailgate, everything's all been done. It's all been painted. Shocks somewhere under there, cleaned up. Pretty much all the rear ends. Got brand new tires on it. I don't know what kind of lift kit it's got on it. Got the tank. I put new hoses in it. That's all good. Nice aluminum wheels. They shined up good. Like I said, doors work. Took it to a car show yesterday. You can see one of the flyers there. It's all pretty much done. Ready for summer driving. I'm gonna still do something to this shifter here. Clean it up, paint it. Didn't have carpet in it. I've got the seat where it slides good. Everything's all good here. It's all been cleaned up under here. The wires are good. The harness is good. If this was mine, I would just pull it all out, and because it's an older build, apparently they built it and they had it wired, and then they took all the wires out and they put in this 302. They didn't put the wires back, and the guy wired it with several different wires the same color. If it was going to be mine, I'd pull the whole thing out, put in a painless wiring harness, and you'd be done with it forever. But it runs good, drives good, looks good. Hood closes good. These were kind of hard for these little bolts. They're 1/4 inch 28s, and some were stripped. But I put a brand new windshield wiper in it. And controls, windshield wipers are good. They turn off where they're supposed to. You know, the headlights and everything work good. Brake lights work, turn signals work. Ready for the road. Got a spare tire. It's not exactly the same, but it's the right size. Got a clean California title. No paperwork problems with this one. A good winch mount. Don't have a winch, but it's ready for one. The doors come off. The top will come off. It's kind of hard to get back on. It's a pretty tight fit, but thing is ready to go. Runs and drives. And maybe you'd be interested in something like this. It's a great great vehicle. Like Sneery's Auto. Nice looking little truck. Perfect Jeep weather. And it's ready to drive away.